Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Braun Pocket Mobile Electric Foil Shaver for Men, washable, transparent blue. At the price, it is cheaper to buy the entire shaver than buying the replacement parts. If you're looking for a compact, portable, slick little electro shaver, this is the way to go. Gave as gifts, and most report they like it better than their regular electric shaver. It's for every day though. If you grow out a couple days, it's going to have hard time. Great performance, especially in getting it hard to shave areas around mouth and lower ear. Compared to the 7 series, this is not bad at all. The only downside being that you have to manually clean it somewhat frequently, and it eats through the little batteries like they're candy. Make good job, but don't miss a day. Can't shave properly on a 2 days beard. Excellent shaver. Great price. Does a perfect job. Very satisfied. Highly recommend. Takes 2 AA bat. And hairs that get missed quickly become too long for the foil to catch, so things were a little untidy after a couple of weeks. Everything works fine except the part on the top of the razor, which is very soft and breaks in easily. It's lightweight, very quiet, and shaves as well any other electric razor costing 5s as much. If you are wanting a great razor for the money, this is the one, and the blue color is kind of cool too. And in China, the power is not always available. And if you have a bunch of things to recharge, it is nice to have something that has AA batteries instead. Don't waste a dime. This only works if you shave every day. For men's face shaving, it does a good job of cutting with the razor misses, and at lunchtime, and evening touch-ups. The way the foil head comes off is sturdy. The Braun may bend over time of taking foil off, and onto clean. The only drawback is a lack of trimmer, but if that's what you need, buy the M90. This is great to keep in the car in case you forgot to shave, or missed a spot, and don't want to get in trouble. A cute little razor that fits in your pocket, and does a good job if you need a quick shave. Have one in the car to touch up during the day. Works great. Easy to clean. It'll shave 12 scruff no problem, but anything more you're going to get it stuck in your beard a bit. Love it for what it is, a small travel razor to clean up light scruff. But this one doesn't have the little slide open sideburn trimmer, which really comes in handy sometimes. Also, as you shave, the motor sounds uneven as you move the shaver over your face. This is great for travel, and runs a long time on a set of batteries. Unlike other Braun portable units, this one does not have a trimmer for dealing with sideburns. This is great for men on the go, and need to keep a clean look. This works well enough, but consistent with size and price. It is very slow going. Works pretty good, but bogs down a lot if you put hardly any pressure on it. Also, you are in trouble if the batteries die when traveling, and you don't have replacements handy in your hotel room. Oh shaver, but what the hey, it costs 20 bucks, and runs terrific on rechargeables. Great design features like the swiveling blade guard, which prevents it from being turned on when closed. This locks so that is impossible, and so far is going strong months later on the first pair of AA batteries. If you're going to a meeting or event, this is good for a quick shave. Not crazy that it's battery powered, but that is to be expected with a travel shaver. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.